Little baby boo jig and a little chopped off baby bass, breaking bass, paddle tail. Let's go. Oh my God, a tank. He's a beast. He's a beast. All right, he's a creek tank. Not a mega. There we go. On that breaking bass paddle tail. Man, he was sitting just above that riffle. Heck yeah. I think there's another one to the right of the grass line about 4 feet out. Because I threw in second cast and something followed. You got him.
Oh, you're running with that current.
Look at this. Look at this dual action right here. Here we go.
Tell me where to put it. Sure enough, there was a fish.
Yeah, listen, I threw back in and with the paddle tail, had a fish not commit. He threw in the old finesse. This is the perfect 1-2 punch here. We got
a little baby hook.
We got the paddle tail from moving. And if they don't commit, Steven's got them knocked out with that smoked minnow on the drop shot. There we go.
All right. Thanks, buddy. Try that.
You gonna do some moving baits? Oh, you're gonna go drop shot like a pussy.
Oh.
No, it's actually a good move because just like we do the 1-2 punch, like
right.
Moving bait, slow bait.
You catch all the big ones, I'll catch all the numbers.
Listen, as long as we're catching.
That's right.
Right?
That's how I feel. I mean, being out here is nice enough, honestly.
Whoa. Right there? Bro, he hit it like would have had that much left on it. Thought it'd be fun to bring this extendable rod thing out. Just going straight in the garbage as soon as I'm done today. Look at that, look at the guides.
That's nice.
It's just free roaming, like. Yeah, it's that Timo bullshit.
Yeah.
I have another extendable rod that I have used for years and it is just tough. This thing, no. Go tour, garbage. Oh, he came after it. He came after it. I saw him come after that one. I watched his little wake come and get it. Oh, he's got a follower. He's got a follower. He's got a follower. Throw out there. See if we can double up on this. This guy had a little buddy that was following him, chasing him out. Got the crank on. I threw it out by the rocks. He came and got it. Watched him wake on it.
Oh yeah.
Nice, dude.
Bro,
swallowed it all the way.
Bro.
Oh, he's poked on this side.
Bro.
Successful. Had to rescue a little gut hook, but
Got her
got it
done.
done. And you got that on. Let's see what we were catching that on.
Oh,
The old great white shark.
it was great white shark on the craw though.
Great white shark crawl. Took it down. That was a good looking crawl.
Choked it.
The crawl is working for Steven over there. I'm gonna go with the baby bass. Crawl. Oh, there we go. Nice little creek smalley.
I had one. It was our double up and I missed him.
Here we go. Baby bass. I've had the most luck on that today. There we go. Came back and got him. Let him play with it just a little bit. That's a nice rocky. The one-clawed bandit. Got us a rock bass. There's something over there chasing bait. Oh my goodness. Got him. I saw him chasing little minnows and shad up against the bank, and I was like, I need to get the crawl in there. Sure enough. You know, I think he might have a buddy in there too. Give me back that crawl. There we go. Little feisty guy. Coming to the white claw party. Look at that. Oh, got a little blood on that. There we go. Rocky. Feisty Rocky. Chasing minnows over by that stick. Coming to the white claw party. Red eye rock bass.
Got the belly on him, boy. Get that boy out.
Going in the video. There we go. Steven got a healthy one right here. Look at that. Great white shark attack.
Sweet.
I'm gonna put that sound in for that one too.
as it continues and never ends.
I was just telling Steven yesterday that where we could fish is where the founder of Batavia, Claremont County, is buried. His name is Ezekiel Dimmitt, and we're gonna go see his gravestone real quick. There's golf balls in it. I think it's this one. Yep. Someone put the spire back up. That's nice. Ezekiel Dimmitt. Ezekiel Dimmitt, born August 10th, 1781, died 1857, lived to be a ripe ripe old age. We got the duck walls over here. Born 1849. No, died 1849. Yeah. So it looks like they came out here and wanted to be buried right by the river. Jen, if you're watching this, do that for me.
You're watching Matt's Fishing Mission. Always be on mission.